What's up guys, Steven here from Airsoft Tech, and today I'm bringing you guys episode 2 of the unboxing series, even though it's only going to be 3 episodes. But anyways, this is episode 2. I have here for you guys an Airsoft GI package as well as the Amazon package that I got. And in my next, or my last my last episode of this unboxing series, it's going to be another Airsoft GI package as well as a Airsoft Megastore package. And you guys might be wondering, why don't you just open the 2 Airsoft GI packages together? Well, I wanted to, get maybe 2 companies in one video, which is going to be episode 3, which will be the Airsoft Megastore package and the Airsoft GI package. So anyways though, for this video, episode 2, I have again the Airsoft GI package and just a really quick piece of gear that I got from Amazon. So why don't we go ahead and open that guy up real quick. I'm just going to cut this open. Hopefully I don't cut the item. Alright, no, I'm good. Okay, so here we go. Just rip this open. Alright, so here we go. Let's just take it out real quick. Alright, so here we go. What I got is a Bungie tactical sling or something like that. I don't even remember who I got it from. It was on Amazon though. Amazon doesn't actually sell this. It was actually sold by a company. It was just on Amazon's website. But yeah, so here we go. So it actually looks really nice. I got a sling before when I got all my other gear. However, it's just not working out too well. And this looks really cool, I gotta say. Hooked right onto my KWA, so that's pretty nice. So there you go, as you guys can see right there. So yeah, so really nice, really happy with this. Looks like it's pretty good quality, and this was only like $6. So, and then plus shipping and everything like that, it was probably closer to $10 and everything like that. But yeah, so really cheap, pretty nice sling, really happy with this. So yeah, so there's that. Now why don't we get on to the Airsoft GI package. So here we go. Let's open this guy up. Alright. And I'm really excited about this because I got a few accessories in here that I'm really wanting to try out. So here we go. Remove that. So this is probably just everything that I ordered. So here we go. So the first thing, a pistol holster for my pistols, or for my WE ISSC M22, I believe it's called. I haven't used it in a while. But yeah, so it's a pistol holster, clips onto your belt. Ooh, it feels really nice. Pretty nice quality. It's pretty heavy actually too. So I'm not exactly sure what this is for. I'm gonna have to read the instructions on how to hook this bad boy up. I'm pretty sure you just hook it into your belt, put your pistol in there. It's for Glocks. And you have to make sure when you're buying pistol holsters that you make sure you buy them for your model, because M1911s or 1911s, Glocks, they all have different holsters and different designs for them to be held in. So there we go, there's that. Got the other piece. And it's actually really packaged nicely too with this little Ziploc bag. I got the zipper here. So yeah, really nice actually. Really surprised about that. So there we go. Let's set that aside. And I'm also really surprised about how good the quality is. It looked kind of cheap. However, it looks really nice. Alright, so here we go. This is the next thing I got. It is a flash hider, pretty bulky. So there's that, kind of looks like a mini Barrett, or like a variant from the Barrett 50 cal flash hider. So why don't we go ahead and open that guy up. So it does look kind of scratched at the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. But I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, so here's the flash hider. Looks really nice. Got that nice flat gray finish, or flat black finish. So there's that. And then you screw it in down there. This is negative 14mm threading, and then I'm pretty sure you have to unscrew that screw for you to actually screw that guy in. Yeah, see, if you don't screw it in, you might strip your threads. So actually the threads already look kind of funky, but anyways, it should work. Really excited about that. It looks really bulky though, but it's a really nice design, so I'm really happy about that. So there's that, and now let's move on to the last and final item, which is what I'm also really happy about. This was really expensive for a sight. This was about $55, I believe, or $50, something like that. But yeah, so here we go. Why don't we open this guy up real quick? Got some tape on the back. There is that. Try my best not to actually cut the cardboard, cut the packaging. So how do I actually open this guy up? Do I just slide it out? How do I do this? Yes, sir. Okay, so there we go. So there's that, nothing on the top there. So, oh wow, this is packaged extremely nicely. No wonder it's so expensive. Alright, so here we go. Got a nice cleaning cloth, huge cleaning cloth. UTG, as you can see, really nice. Wow, I'm extremely impressed. So the pistol holster I'm impressed about, the flash hider I'm impressed, now this I'm impressed. So everything I've ordered so far, as well as the sling, so everything I've ordered and unboxed in this video, I'm extremely impressed and happy about. So there's that. We've got a nice little baggie of some Allen keys, looks like some rubber washers maybe, or they're metal, not exactly sure, can't tell you. And then we got a screw there to probably screw into your rails or whatever. And then we got some batteries to actually operate, some watch batteries to actually operate the sight. And then we got some nice foam packaging, so you make sure this actually doesn't get damaged. So I'm trying to scared to pull this out by the knob, but why don't we just go ahead and do that. So there's that. Don't want to ruin this guy. Brand new. Everything like that. There we go. It's coming out. Ooh, there we go. Oh, so maybe it was actually supposed to be taken out because there's some stuff on the bottom. Wow, look at that. That's actually really cool. So there's that. Then we got some more stuff on the bottom because as you can see, there's some instructions. Let's go ahead and take that out. Wow, that foam is incredible. Okay, so here we go. Just some, not sure if I'll be able to take it out. There we go. And then look at that. We even got some more foam on the very bottom. That's really, really cool. Alright, so I had to pick this up. Just some, you know, multicolor illumination. I don't know if it's a warning or something. Maybe, please turn off the scope, basically, so you don't ruin the batteries and or wear them out. And then we got the owner's manual, or user manual. So as you guys can see right there. So really nice. Show you guys real quick. The lighting might have made it a little bit weird. Wasn't looking. But yeah, so there we go. There's that. Let's put the foam back in there, and that's basically everything, you guys. So let me just try and put this all back together real quick off camera. Sorry if it's taking a while. So here we go. There's the packaging, 3.9 total length, 3.9 inches basically, and look at that. That looks sick. Wow. Okay, look at that nice high rail, so you can actually see over the triangle sight from the front iron sight on the KWA. You know, the front triangle sight right by the barrel. So there's that. You can just clip this on, I'm guessing. Wow, this material is unbelievable. It's unreal, actually. So I'm pretty sure you just do that, snap it in place, and it stays. So why don't we go ahead and pop this open. It has some nice trademarks right there, UTG. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. You can see me. Hello. Alright, and then let's check this side out. Oh, there's that. So that's probably where you look into. So yeah, really cool. Let me just take a look real quick. Maybe it even has batteries installed, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see. I will say the turning dial is really, really stiff. Okay, so I don't actually think it, no, yeah, so that's why they give you batteries, because it's not actually functioning at the moment because there are no batteries in it. I was just thinking maybe they already put some batteries pre-installed in there or something like that. But yeah, really excited about that. No wonder it was pretty expensive. It's super heavy too, so it's going to give the gun some nice weight to it. So there's that. Again, you got the batteries, the tools, and then you got the sight, the cleaning cloth. Very nice. Let's just set that on the side right there just like that. Let's get the sling back in here. Alright, then we got the nice flash hider. So put that right there. Then we got the baggie with the pistol holster, so that's really nice. So I'm extremely impressed and surprised about all the quality, the materials that everything was used to create all these accessories right here. So why don't we go ahead and zoom in for you guys, just so you guys can get a better angle or view. So there we go. So there's everything. But yeah, guys, so that's going to be it for episode 2. Remember, episode 3 is going to be coming out soon. That will be the Airsoft GI and Airsoft Megastore dual combo unboxing or whatever I'm going to be calling that. Not sure yet. But yeah, so I'm going to give you guys a heads up. Also, it's only going to be 3 products that are going to be in those 2 packages. However, all 3 of them added up to be quite a bit of money. And but yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would really do appreciate it if you did that. But yeah, guys, so that's going to be it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.